Indonesia President Prabowo Subianto announces that Indonesia has conferred its highest honor, Bintang Adipurna of the Republic of Indonesia Medal, to Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So yet another international award by a country being given to the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is of course as part of his three-nation tour. He's first in Jakarta, and the Indonesian Prime Minister there honouring the Indian Prime Minister, conferring its highest honour, which is the Bintang Adipurna of the Republic of Indonesia. This, of course, just going on to show not just the respect that the Prime Minister is getting, but also, of course, growing relationship between the two countries. The Prime Minister is in Indonesia along with his upcoming travel to Australia and New Zealand as part of a larger Mahasagar approach, where, of course, the Indo-Pacific region becomes extremely important given the geopolitical realities today. In this, of course, India looking to foster greater relationship between all of these countries, Indonesia, Australia and New Zealand. Of course, there are trade deals that have already been talked about as far as Australia and New Zealand are concerned. But defense cooperation overall, as far as the outlook on the Indo-Pacific is concerned, all of them continue to be extremely important for India. So this is a three-nation tour. The first leg is in Indonesia, where the Prime Minister has also been honoured by the highest civilian honour of the country of Indonesia. One in line of many personal honours that the Prime Minister has been accorded in visiting countries. The Prime Minister has, of course, talked about India and Indonesian relationship, elevating it to a comprehensive strategic partnership that was done in 2018. And, of course,
राष्ट्रपति प्रबोवो, दोनों देशों के डेलीगेट्स, मीडिया के साथियों, नमस्कार। सलामत सियांग। सबसे पहले मैं इस गर्मजोशी भरे स्वागत के लिए अपने मित्र प्रेसिडेंट प्रबोवो को उनका हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। पिछले वर्ष भारत के गणतंत्र दिवस के मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में हमें उनका स्वागत करने का अवसर मिला, और आज उनके आत्मीयता भरे निमंत्रण पर इंडोनेशिया की यात्रा करते हुए मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है। आज सुबह मुझे बहुत स्नेह के साथ, आदर के साथ इंडोनेशिया का सर्वोच्च सम्मान दिया गया है। ये सम्मान कोटि कोटि भारतवासियों का है। इंडोनेशिया के लोगों की भावनाओं का है। भारत और इंडोनेशिया के ऐतिहासिक और आत्मीय संबंधों का है। मैं प्रेसिडेंट प्रबोवो जी, इंडोनेशिया की सरकार और यहां की जनता का हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं।
For over 25 years, CNBC TV 18 has been the guiding force for investors, steering them through the markets.
Start your trading day with cutting-edge insights and expert analysis.
Seize every opportunity by decoding the forces that drive the market.
Equip yourself with strategies and guidance from India's biggest market mavens.
Invest with confidence as we beam live from the CNBC TV 18 Motilal Oswal studio.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.